Welcome to the introduction of the Tooltos Jewelry Binocular Stereo Microscope with Spring Stand, a powerful and versatile tool designed to meet the specific needs of the jewelry industry. The microscope features a highly rigid, compact, and stable frame. Space-saving. Designed for excellent optical performance, it is a must-have tool for professional jewelers. With a large zoom ratio and wide field of view, this microscope provides unmatched clarity and precision for intricate jewelry work, offering magnification from 7x to 45x. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the microscope features a convenient focusing system and a comfortable viewing head with a 45 degrees tilt and 360 degrees rotation. This design ensures ease of use during long working hours. Crafted for durability, the microscope comes with a headrest holder for added comfort and an optical mildew treatment to ensure long-lasting performance. The universal spring stand offers exceptional flexibility, making it suitable for a variety of working environments. Its adjustable 900mm extension arm allows for smooth positioning and stability. The continuous zoom stereoscopic head and wide field of vision technology make it easy to focus on fine details, perfect for miniature inlay work, stone setting, jewelry welding, electronic component repair, and more. Installation steps for Binocular Stereo Microscope with Spring Holder. 1. First, install the base and cylindrical. 2. Attach the spring holder to the cylindrical and install the upper and lower distance fixed adjustment knobs to adjust the height. The telescopic distance can be adjusted by the adjusting knob of the spring holder. 3. Install the microscope head to the spring holder to fix, and then install the eyepiece and objective lens. 4. Install the head support bracket through the support bracket adjustment knob to adjust the angle position. 5. Thus the installation is completed, and then adjust the lens distance and focus can begin to work. Experience unmatched precision and efficiency with the Tooltos Jewelry Binocular Stereo Microscope. Order yours today and take your jewelry craftsmanship to the next level.